Get ready, start. The division bench of the High Court, by the impugned judgment, however, has quashed the acquisition proceedings itself, holding they have iapsed. Stop. For this purpose, the High Court has taken aid of Section 24 of the new LA Act in the following manner. Paragraph change, inverted comma open. 13. Stop. It is also noted that the acquisition proceedings, including preliminary and final declaration, have been passed under the provisions of the KIADB Act. Stop. But there is no provisions under the KIADB Act to pass an award, and award has to be passed only under the provisions of the LA Act, 1894. Stop. The award has to be passed under LA Act, whether the new act can be pressed into service to hold the acquisition proceedings are lapsed on account of non-passing of award within a period of 5 years under Section 11. Stop. If the award is passed under LA Act, the enquiry has to be conducted by the Deputy Commissioner or Collector before passing the award. Stop. Section 11A contemplates if the award is not passed within 2 years of the date of publication of the final declaration, the entire proceedings for acquisition of the land shall automatically stand lapsed. Stop. It is no doubt true the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of M. Nagabhushana versus State of Karnataka and others, 2011, 3 SCC 408 has held that Section 11A of the Act is no application in respect of the land acquired under the provisions of the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Act. Stop. We have to consider in this appeal as to whether Section 24, subsection 2 of the new Act is applicable in order to hold that the acquisition proceedings deemed to be lapsed due to non-payment of compensation and non-passing of the award within a period of 5 years was from the date of declaration and with effect from non-payment of compensation to the landowners. Stop. Paragraph change. 14. Stop. The new Act does not say whether the Act is applicable to land acquired under the provisions of Karnataka Land Acquisition Act 1894. Stop. What Section 24 says that if the award is not passed under Section 11 of the Act and the compensation is not paid within 5 years or more prior to new Act, if the physical possession of the land is taken or not, especially the compensation is not paid or deposited in court, such proceedings deemed to have been lapsed. Stop. In the instant case, it is not case of the respondent that award is not required to be passed under the provisions of the LA Act. Stop. When the award is required to be passed under LA Act, the respondents cannot contend that the provisions of the new Act cannot be made applicable on account of non-payment of compensation within a period of 5 years. Stop. Inverted comma open. This approach of the High Court, we find, to be totally erroneous. Stop. In the first instance, matter is not properly appreciated by ignoring the important aspects mentioned in para 24 above. Stop. Secondly, effect of non-applicability of Section 11A of the old LA Act is not rightly understood. Stop. Inverted comma close.